Alright, so good morning again through Plan of Living family. Here we have some pots that I'm going to transfer some stuff into. I already have my soil, and I'm just gonna let you see. So I walked around my yard, from composting, and so I just walked around the yard and different areas. I saw a few things pushing out. So now look, I see I have like 2 mango trees and some ginger, or it could also be turmeric. And so I'm gonna transplant them into these buckets. So composting is a good thing. Literally, I don't throw them, I just throw them in the ground. Throw them on the ground, throw them around trees and stuff, and these have been growing. So yeah, I'm gonna take them out one by one so you can see. All right. So this is a mango tree that's been growing. So literally, we already have some stuff in a couple of these buckets. So I'm just gonna dig, put them in, not to disturb the root as much. Sometimes transitioning the plants from one area to the next can be a little bit challenging because the roots can be affected. And sometimes they go into what is called transfer shock. And sometimes we give up on them because they don't seem to be thriving. But what I found to work is just continue to water them, pray over them, and just don't give up, because and at the same time leave dropping a bottom of tank it rotten, alright? That means nothing happens overnight. So I'm transitioning these, as you can see. So I have one mango tree, kind of look lean, right? Kind of peppers, soldier. So I have one mango tree, then I'm going to do the other one. Let's just move this out the way. And this is a raised bed that I have resting. So I just use it right now to help with my back. I don't have to be bending all the way down. Alright, so this is literally was just growing out of. You can see, I think it's turmeric because it kind of broke off a little bit when I was taking it out, and you can see the nice little orange color. So I'm just going to transition it into here. Of course, as this can stay in here, but as the mango tree grows, then I put it into bigger pots and eventually it will go in the ground. So I just put that in, cover it up, make sure it's steady and sturdy till the roots get settled. And so I have that. Move it out the way as well. Another container. So a little bit. Alright. So here again I have some more. I don't know if this one is turmeric or ginger, so we'll just assume that it's one of them from the family. And I'm literally just going to put it in because it came out with a lot of roots, and then I'm going to just add some dirt on top. See the light starting to be more, so this one is going to take there. Like so. Voila. We have a mango tree again. Now, I don't know if it's common, probably common because I see this small, but food is food. We plant it and we see how it grows. search for that one. And while I was digging up, I dug up a piece of turmeric. So I'm going to get some dirt and plant that in the ground as well. So there you have it, folks. Just transferring some plants into pots. And I do have, and these are ginger growing in other little pots here, and some more mangoes. And my next project is to transfer out these that are growing here, ginger or turmeric, and they have some comfrey. Comfrey is drying up, so I'm gonna actually I transition the ginger into these pots, but there was comfrey in there before, and I removed it, but obviously the comfrey root stayed, and it started growing. It's a good thing for the plants because it can act as a fertilizer and also repel insects. But right now I want my comfrey to grow on another side of the garden, so I can use it for medicinal products. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our other videos. God bless, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share our videos.